Alrighty, fan collectors, what we're looking at here today is a white 42-inch Hampton Bay Grayton 1 that I got from Habitat 2 weeks ago now. Anyway, some of you probably already know of how I got it. I'll provide a link of how I explain in a video of how I got this thing from Habitat and how the mess of this thing is. But yeah, as you can see, it's in pretty good shape. Well, here's the thing before I go any further. Long story short, I found the motor canopy without the mounting bracket attached to the canopy, down rod, you know, and then the blade arms attached to the blades but without the blades, you know, as you see them now. And then obviously with the light, no fobs and no globe. So I found that all in the dumpster. I set it aside. I took it out and I set it aside. And as the day went on, you know, continuing to go through fans, and I found a box with the rest of this thing's parts. Screws, the blades, globe, fobs, mounting bracket. And what's really cool is this thing came with a switch cap so you could have no light on it. And that's pretty cool because they kept that just in case they didn't want to have the light on in the future on it. And it also came with its owner's manual, which is really, really cool. Yeah, it's in pretty good shape. It's got there's your S.M.C tag. Let's look at that UL label, shall we? 0199, so January of 1999 this thing was made. Got the white side down and the bleached oak side up. So yeah, it's got a few scratches on the canopy, as you can see over here. It's got a few paint chips. That's probably from being thrown in the dumpster, but it's all in all, it's not in that bad a shape. So yeah, let's get on with the demonstration, shall we? Here's your light. And here's your fan. Low speed's a little fast. It's not too fast to where I don't think it really has a low speed. And obviously it's not too slow. The low speed is just enough for me to like on this fan. When I first hung this thing up, the blades were bent up, down. The blade arms were bent up, down. You know, one was warped and all that fun stuff, but as you can see, I've perfectly aligned it to where it's not really wobbling as much as it was before. It was wobbling pretty bad. But yeah. Take it up to medium now. thing's quiet. It doesn't have any bearing noise. Doesn't hum very loudly. So that's obviously good. And here's high speed. As you can see, it still has a wobble, but it's very minor. It's not terrible. It's not a bad wobble for me to fix, like, or try to make it like perfect to where it really doesn't wobble. But yeah. You view the around the world tour of it. Runs good. Moves a good amount of air, I guess. It's not very little, it's not overwhelmingly powerful, but it's just enough. It's just enough, I guess. Here's the light again. And here's spin down. Alright, so it's stopped. I will end the video here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.